How to fix the Snapchat camera problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having the Snapchat's camera problem with the full screen issue, here is what should be done. First and foremost, make sure the Snapchat has permission to use your camera. In order to do so, long press the Snapchat and go to App Info. Tap on the second option of permissions and then tap on camera. Make sure you have allowed the section by tapping on allow only while using the app. Once that is done, restart your device and open Snapchat again. This way, your Snapchat's camera problem should be fixed. However, if it does not, make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. This way, the temporary glitches and bugs should be fixed with the latest update. To do so, head over to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar and then type in Snapchat. Then after tap on update button and it should probably work. However, if it does not, you will have to uninstall the Snapchat from your device and reinstall it again. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.